look amazing! Your hair is longer now.
Yeah, time flies and other Christmas season.
You know, every year we will have a gift for all staff, including office and also factory. So guess what I have prepared for 2025?
What's that?
Let's check out.
Let's go!
Yeah! Merry Christmas! See what I have here.
Wow, that's lots of stuff.
Yes, I have the high quality mask for our powder 9.
Oh, you also have the safety helmet.
Yes, that's for our technician team.
You have in the trunk.
Yeah, that's a snack bag for everybody.
Wow, let's surprise them.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, Melissa, trust me, I'm 200 pounds now. What about you?
I feel the same.
Oh, let's go faster. Let's go. Let's go faster.
All the gifts have delivered to each workshop. Everybody have the wishes for every year, and all the workers, they work hard for the whole year, and we would like to hear what their wishes. And here have the 4 most popular wishes and also most very meaningful wishes. So let's see which one they pick up. Let's go. 推薦我一啲有時的電影語有樣型嘅吧，呢個幾係啦。
我選這個。
Okay, good health, be happy, do something to pleasure ourselves. 哇，祝你們美夢成真 ，Happy New Year！